So hey guys, I'm just gonna brush my teeth. First let's do a tutorial. First you make your thing wet. See, it's wet. Now you put your Chanapas down. I'm just a little bit young, so I'm just using that. It's 50 milliliter if you just want to know. I said it wrong, I know. If you want to bully me, you can just bully me, but then not just ban your comment. So guys, if you're done, you have to use your mouthwash. So I'm just gonna already. So I'm done with this. So now I'm just gonna do my mouthwash, and then I'm done for the day. Nope. A little bit. This is how much you have to use.